Now, I really like, as a media personnel, no, let me say this. Kennedy Japan ashe enyamabia warrior say, na I really like it. Because obviously, am I in news? Na yanso ya de bremo because yedim say ye ka Kennedy Japan ho asem amope. Answer never to also no me subscribe na click the notification bell no and no any down screen so sisi a we yan say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Quickly yanko nsem ni mu. Sanya me din kan Kennedy Japan has been going on media tour, saying things, I mean, actually letting us into his life. Yesterday, I was listening to him on YFM. Now, he spoke on how he became rich. I really respected him. I really like the respect. And I said, I respected him already, but the respect I had went on. Or to youth for the things you have to invest in any nyama. And then so, Kennedy Japan interview. Now, interview, no one say, what can't say, baby? Yesterday he spoke on rumors and for Edenam, especially the Kelvin Taylor can say Kennedy Japan cocaine or Dibenya scanning Yamano. He spoke on how he got his money and the entire Ghana for air cassette cocaine sika. Now ye name say American lottery in the crown. Kennedy Japan was the first person to bring it in Ghana. And you know, and also the other side of the story I ever become one and that rumors be Edenam. Kennedy Japan they were not their waka. Also, one of the open bar. Yes, open bar. He has 22 children. One name Baby and now. Now, once embark in the Japan or pay and uncle for any rumor and second the Japan any Yvonne Nelson one more sheho to say Yvonne Nelson and a side chick. Washa or more industry in the ya no more canon, but almost shut come and name Barbon but the lobby can say, hey, Yvonne Nelson Crano, Kennedy Japan actress, a warrior woman is cow. I have a man Crawford. In that interview, mono, and a journalist no. Ebisa Ken say, Ken, ya to say, one Yvonne Nelson Mosheho, assembly and a worker, and also one no Kennedy Japan. Yvonne Nelson, yes, we won't that like us in TV, so nyama, but we him no. He doesn't know Yvonne Nelson anywhere. It won't say one no Kennedy Japan open bar, but Mbaba kwa waya na adwen se won ko wo mo ho da Ghana celebrities sebe Ghana omo a wo mo ye acting ni wo mo to ndwom ma na ose wo mo de yes wo mo hu twa na nyama but won ko mo ho da because no Kennedy Japan no he is very loud na wasanso kofa celebrity a ebia wo no so ne ho wa asem na nyama ombebu Kennedy Japan ni mu ase he is loud. So he needs someone or embabia womu ye low key. Na Ghana ma celebrities need ya womu hu de too much. Wofa hape heo ne da news mu. Wofa ha heo ne da news mu. Inti yenko tie sansem ne bra na Kennedy Japan okan sansem ne wie ye no. Or the very interesting story of ne maba actress and ne maba ne so hu ni sika womu mpel. An example he gave party bia wo true ya say oh dear it's a very fun story. What I say, we want to know the fan side of Kennedy Japan. So you go to Yvonne Nelson in the end, we are near the Nebaba Nelson, the no Aboso Amamo.
Yvonne Nelson, the end of one in it.
Minimono,
Yvonne Nelson.
No, Mahuno, I won't say that.
Was Shianada?
Meshiano once.
What did I say, baby?
No way. I did not know me, Miss Three. Yvonne Nelson. And you come
on Chinese Scada. No, I didn't too quite.
No way. No way.
I didn't go Dubai.
No way. Minimum. Now, the baby, Mamma Gancho.
Catch me.
With all due respect to them. Miss Ha, stars, no one who did it, Mimpo. Momo stars, man who did it, Mimpo. Let me allow. And give me power bow, so you're loud. No taste, boy.
Inti, no. And just as I said, the second part of the interview, the Kennedy Japan was speaking on ne maba na Kennedy Japan can say Ghana from mema yes ebeya mo say ebia Kennedy Japan no wo sikanti wo kope ne maba wo se ne maba no wo mo ye nkrofo bia se wo ni sika he ma wo de awiase ni na ma wo ho nya fe se wo ni sika trese wo ho nya fe mo ono Kennedy Japan baba no wiase ni na me enka se wo pa na ho fe wo wiase mu udu Kennedy Japan fie na ne maba ni hu na wo you be a wunye sikini a just say one ho offend there doesn't come near just say wo mumbu wo mu into the Japan talked about that and then he gave a very funny story. Let's go and listen to that.
There's a lady you are
Come to my house. I got some beautiful girls. And my girls. But I'm the only scout won't pay.
Go see.
Remember a story me that fascinating. And yet we had a so I'm in university every now me Thanksgiving.
Okay.
And I'm a young kubide the fast boy very handsome guy. Then they started asking, oh mom, so but who is this guy? No boy, oh uncle so and so, ni nephew no. Obisa said, oh yeah, be a juma. I see a juma UP or so how? Akwana who offered that to you, but hey, where's bro? But are you right? Because if I'm paying $84,000 for you to go to UPenn, what could be all UPS? What about them?
Oh, now some men out.
Sempa na make catch now. Sempa said.
And to patch a teacher need to be bushing.
Who could find UPS?
Teacher need to be by why we're bushing.
Who ba?
And yet, that's what the Neska.
And then your mapano. And now new teacher need video.
Now
I'm calling my copy.
I didn't in our Bobra.
At me, Bobra said, maybe me chibe janyans for.
Hey. As a teacher in Nyanza.
Na me papa no teacher in Timinka say teacher in Nyanza. Wo na wo ka teacher in Nyanza.
Aso.
Enti me pa say wo ba ma busu mo. Make sure girls no. Mama obi. So, anu mo nam so a wani be nyam papa.
Aso.
Akwa boshi won to Japan. It's good.
Aso.
We just do the brother mo.
Now, I think say yeni ayate in someone Kennedy Japan or the atujano. Now, you see, there's one thing I realized yesterday. Yesterday when Kenny Japan went on a year YFM, said show the Y leaderboard series. Now, when Kenny Japan went on YFM, now I saw a different side of Kenny Japan. I don't usually see the very calm side of him, the very funny side of him, and all. And I was like, wow, Kenny Japan is someone. Yes, it won't say but he's someone you'd like to be your friend. If Kennedy Japan is your friend, he'll be a very loyal friend. That's what I got. Once I'm crofobia or what? Ebia abontin suni bi hu say wo ye nyama bi abontin suni no one tenase. But wo no a wo ye wadanfo no wo tenase wunim say enyama bi a wo ye no eye wo hu do e na wo de eye den eye. I felt say yesterday when I was listening to Kennedy Japan, that was the feeling I had. It was very interesting. He was speaking with medical Freya. And I was even surprised that in Kennedy Japan no one medical name Yamani. I'll say, oh, we share the crowd and name Yama the way he was laughing and all. I was like, wow. But I'll bring you that story later. Musicians are Wobo Mudin, say Stone Boy and Shatawale, one no dear what say one more kono, na a yadia and the Japan because of Tomwasem. And he wanted to bring them together and well, you're not doing say one name Crawford, ebe plane, na one man Stone Boy and Shatawale, ababe boom. And some I walk and know. Into why I say, well, be friend one mutuno because or yes, I will invite Stone Boy, well, your party. Now I invited Stone Boy. Now I invited Shatawale. One country or more, say me invite Mutuni na, or maybe share or what. Now I'm more my than or more boom. Into why I say, well, by yes, I dare no. And now in Crawford, one year more planning party in the catcher and say, oh. So Stone Boy and Shatawale Kroma boom did that and Sana Walker said, oh, and yes, idea and who he has a mayor party in the So you see the extent he was, I mean, really ready to go. It tells you that indeed Kennedy Japan has a very good heart. I mean, we all know that. But so I just want people to understand this. A lot of people call me, people send me message, and people tell me, why do you hate Kennedy Japan? Why do you hate Kennedy Japan? I want you all to understand, I don't hate Kennedy Japan. But you see, me what I believe in LSS, you just tell the person. You don't insult the person. But Ghana has a young say penny and now will be our yesikini, they won't to me your bonnet. It's why your bonnet crana, any quan say, oh, Babeka. Sana Ghana, you It won't him now be camper, yes, yay. You didn't respect the person. So, yes, that's it. More supporting Kennedy Japan, no, you should keep on supporting him. And all I'm saying is I mean nkrofo criticizing a monhwa criticism nim na monhu ne say nyansa ewo mu a nyansa wo mu a you just accept it sa na wi ase yekọ asem wo ya video wo ya maya mabo Kennedy Japan abaso no you see say some people will also come and tell me say me miss Kennedy Japan. I mean I always tell you, for me it's always that way. Asemba on Kennedy Japan na me kama na nkrofo beba be kan say misro no eba on Kennedy Japan na man kan mana nkrofo be ka say metan no. You know, I have understood. For me, I'll say what I feel like saying, provided I am not insulting him because we penny what I say. Into no one try my comment box, me that say.